What if I told you that the biggest lie you've ever been told is that you're separate? Separate from others, separate from nature, separate from the divine. It's a clever illusion, one that shapes the way we think, the way we live, the way we see ourselves. But deep down, something in you knows it's not true. Today in this video, I'm going to break through this illusion of separation because once you see through it, everything changes. From the moment we're born, we're conditioned into separation. We're given a name, a nationality, a belief system, a list of rules in terms of how the world works. We're told, this is you, and that over there, that's everything else. And we believe it because when you hear something long enough, it becomes your reality. But here's the truth. There is no other. There is no other. There never was. This illusion isn't accidental. It was engineered and it serves a purpose. I mean, think about it. If you believe you are separate, you're easier to control. If you believe you're separate, you're easier to control. If you believe you're separate from nature, you're going to ignore your body's natural wisdom and depend on artificial solutions. If you believe you're separate from others, you're going to compete instead of collaborate, fear instead of trust. And if you believe you're separate from the divine, you're going to spend your whole life searching for something outside of yourself, never realizing it was within you all along. But here's what they don't want you to know. Separation isn't real. Quantum physics has proved this, has proved what ancient wisdom has already known, that everything is energy. Everything is connected. We're not isolated fragments. We're part of a vast, intelligent, living system. Nature understands this. The trees don't compete with each other. They form networks underground to share nutrients with one another. Your body understands this. Your heart and brain communicate through electromagnetic fields of others without a single word being shared. And your soul understands this. That's why you feel it. That's why you're here, because you're waking up from this illusion. So why does this matter? Why does seeing through this illusion change everything? Well, because when you believe in separation, you live in fear, in scarcity, in competition. You feel alone in your struggles, disconnected from your intuition, lost in a system that was never designed for you in the first place. But when you see through it, you reclaim your power. You realize that abundance isn't something you earn. It's something you align with. You realize that healing isn't something external. It's your body's natural state when you remove interference. And most importantly, perhaps, you realize you are not alone. You never were. You're part of something so much greater than you've been led to believe. So how do we step out of this illusion? How do we begin living from a place of connection instead of separation? I'm going to propose 3 simple but powerful shifts that you can start making today, right now. Shift number 1 is to see yourself in everything. See yourself in everything. So next time you're in nature, slow down. Look at the trees, look at the sky, the ocean. Notice how they exist in perfect harmony. Realize that you're not separate from them. You are made of the same energy, the same elements, the same consciousness. You are not in nature. You are nature. That's shift 1. Shift number 2 is to tune into the energy around you. Tune into the energy around you. Start paying attention to how you feel around different people, different environments. how you react to different ideas. Energy does not lie. So the more you recognize these subtle connections, the more you'll see how deeply everything is intertwined. And shift number 3 is to shift from competition to collaboration. Shift from competition to collaboration. The old paradigm is based on division, us versus them, winners versus losers. The new paradigm is based on unity. When you stop seeing life as a battlefield and start seeing it as a co-creation, everything shifts. Opportunities open, support appears, life flows. So consider those 3 shifts. The world wants you to believe you are small, alone, separate. You are not. You are not. You're part of something vast, something intelligent, something infinite. And the more you remember that, the more you reclaim your true power. In the next episode, we're going to go deeper into this, into deprogramming from the old paradigm, how to identify the beliefs that have been keeping you stuck in this illusion, and how to start seeing reality for what it truly is. So if this resonates with you, I invite you to subscribe, hit the like button and the notification bell so you don't miss any episodes. And tell me in the comments, have you ever had a moment in your life where you felt the illusion break? A moment when you saw how connected everything truly is? I'd love to hear about that. Until next time, remember, you were never separate. You were always whole.